While some beauty experts still swear by natural lighting for makeup application, one of the best makeup artist secrets is to use a vanity mirror with lights, which can make applying makeup easier. It will certainly show you whether you've been too heavy-handed with your cream blush, if your highlighter is a bit too frosty, or if you've made other makeup mistakes that age you. Vanity mirrors are used to make grooming rituals easier by having the ability to magnify and adjust the lighting when viewing, says Sally Beauty crew member Emily Boulin. Those who struggle with uneven makeup applications or are looking for better precision during beauty or self-care applications would benefit from a vanity mirror. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you 5 best vanity mirror with lights for makeup 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Kottova brand. There are 15 LED bulbs around the lighting vanity mirror, and the 3 adjustable ranges are from cool white to warm yellow. Protecting your eyes, the brightness can be adjusted to meet your personal makeup needs. High lumen and life of more than 50,000 hours. The illuminated vanity mirror is controlled by dimmable sensitive smart touch buttons. The M button on the left is used to change the light mode, the middle button is used to turn on and off, and the P button on the right is used to adjust the brightness. The memory function can keep the light settings just like the last time it was used. USB charging port is designed on the side of the vanity mirror. It is convenient to charge your mobile phone or other USB devices while making up. The large professional mirror adopts a detachable base and 2 back holes. It is equipped with wall hardware and screws. It can be hung and is easy to install. Normal installation takes about 5 to 10 minutes. The glossy white finish of this alloy metal frame has a smooth surface that can be cleaned easily by wiping with a damp cloth. This Hollywood-style vanity mirror provides perfect lighting for best visibility and also the most accurate mirror reflection. Number 4 in our top is from the HASIPU brand. This vanity mirror has a perfect size 32-inch WX22H, large enough to provide a perfect upper body view. Simple style lights layout provide a clean and bright reflection, allow you to get the most natural application of makeup, even in the evening. HASIPU lighted makeup mirror surrounded by 50,000 hours life, max 6,000 lumens high brightness LED light strip, with warm/natural/cold white 3-tone settings. Adjustable brightness 0% to 100% can meet your personal makeup requirement. This makeup mirror with lights has 3 smart touch buttons. Turn on off the light by touching the sensor switch. Press left button to change the color mode. Long press right button to adjust the LED brightness. This lighted makeup mirror is specially designed memory function. Keep your light setting like your last use. Wall-mounted or tabletop design meet your different needs. This large makeup mirror designed with detachable base and 2 back hole for nail. 1 dot removing mirror base with a screwdriver. 2 dot knocking 2 nails on the wall. 3 dot hanging mirror on the wall. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the LUXFURNI brand. Captivate your senses with surround lighting for that ultimate makeup experience. 18 high CRI LED bulbs lets you see colors in its most natural form. Shift from color settings to brightness control seamlessly with touch sensors. Smart memory functions automatically record your last desired settings to save you time. Customize your look for all occasions with tri-color settings. Warm white for romantic dinner dates, neutral for the office and cool white for the great outdoors. Create a vanity area centerpiece with tabletop option and move your mirror anywhere you want. Wall mount assembly allows you to customize the mirror height while saving some tabletop space. Make the most of your makeup skills with a 10x zoom magnifying mirror that lets you correct fine makeup inconsistencies. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the FENCHILIN brand. Use the lighted Bluetooth mirror to make the work area brighter and easier to use. It lets you listen to your favorite music. Wirelessly transfer music from any compatible Bluetooth device, audiobooks, even your favorite YouTube makeup tutorial, and make free calls during makeup time. Lighted makeup mirror surrounded by 15 PC, with warm light, day light, cold light 3-tone settings, adjustable brightness is meet to your personal makeup requirement. Middle button for turning on and turning off, left button for changing lights color, right button for adjusting brightness, memory function, keep your light setting like your last use. This large makeup mirror designed with detachable base and 2 back hole for nail. 1 dot removing mirror base with a screwdriver. 2 dot knocking 2 nails on the wall. 3 dot hanging mirror on the wall. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the Nusvan brand. The LED brightness of this Hollywood lighted makeup mirror can be changed as you need. This LED makeup mirror provides 3 colors lighting modes so that you can also adjust different brightness to meet your different makeup needs, no matter it is early morning or late night. This light-up makeup mirror has 10x magnifying mirror to help applying mascara, eyeliner, eyebrow, and lipstick, creating flawless and delicate makeup, suitable for the pursuit of exquisite you. This magnification level is perfect friendly for makeup novice. Simply turn on off the light-up vanity mirror and adjust the brightness by touching the sensor switch on the screen. Button M can adjust the light modes, button P can adjust the brightness. Intelligent light memory function make you easy to use the suitable light adjusted last time, which helps you get the right natural light to create your most perfect makeup. Overall frame allows you to get your entire face in view at once. The 12 frosted LED glow bulbs can be used continuously with 50,000 hours lifespan. It is very durable without changing the bulb, fitted the rubber pads on the bottom to prevent the mirror from slipping or falling during use. Which vanity mirror with lights for makeup would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.